Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Google Docs. So here in our Google main page, at the top right corner, we're going to see the Google Apps icon and we're going to click on it. We're going to search for Google Docs by scrolling down. Here we have Google Docs, we're going to click on it. So here is the home page of Google Docs. At the top left corner, you have the main menu option here. So when we click on it, you can see Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. It's interesting to note that you can easily migrate to these options from here. And here in the settings, when we click on it, you can see some options such as changing the language to the language you want. You could also have your Google Docs to be offline, so we could toggle this off or on. However, whatever changes you're making will not be reflected if you're sharing this document. And here once again, we have some options here. You have the option to start a new document using a blank document. You also have a resume, letter, project proposal, a brochure, and a report. Now these are simply templates. In order to see more templates, we just need to go over here to Template Gallery and click on it. It's going to drop down more options and it's categorized nicely for us to make a choice. So we have resumes here, we have letters, personal stuff, work-related stuff, sales, legal, human resources. The list is almost endless. There's so many that you can choose from. Now, if you're a student trying to do some project work, you could come over here for your essays, your reports, and stuff like that. Now, when we go to the top, we're going to click back to go back to the main page. And then if you do not want to see this, you can have the option to go over here where the three dots are and click on it and hide the templates. Now you can see that the templates are hidden. Now, if you've hidden your templates and you're wondering how you can get them back, just go to the top left corner of the screen where you have the main menu, go down to settings, and then you're going to click on templates. Under templates, you have display recent templates on home screens. So when we have that and click OK, we now have our templates showing again. So if we decide to use a template, for example, the brochure, here in this brochure, it looks like a Microsoft Word document. However, this is Google Docs. And you can see here, you could edit this, you could change the color. As you can see, when you click on it, the color changes here. But when we go down here, the color also changes to the color of the text. Now, this is a picture. You could decide to move this around or change the picture to your preference. And another nice feature here is that you have an outline. So here, if I click on $sit, for example, it takes us to this paragraph. So as you're writing your document and creating paragraphs, Google Docs is intelligent enough to create chapters and paragraphs for you. And here in the ribbon, you have so many options to customize your document, such as the font family. You could change the font, you could change the font size. You could also have some things with the justification of your paragraphs, such as alignment, line spacing, and checklist options. Now there is the other feature here for editing. So when you click on it, there are about 3 modes here. You have the editing and then you have suggesting. So you could tap on suggesting and then when you type anything here, now you can see that I wrote something to change here. Now, if you're working with a team and you're collaborating, you can use this option for suggesting to suggest something you'd like to change. So you don't just change it without notice. So again, you have to come over here to the top right corner and you have to change it to suggesting. So when we click on it again, you're going to click on viewing for another option. You can see that you're just viewing and you do not have the option to change the text. This gives you a preview of what you've been doing. As you can see, the icon is here and you're currently in viewing mode. And when we go back to editing, we can change things again and add whatever we may like. And here in this icon that looks like a camera, you can actually join a call or present this tab on a call. This is a very good feature if you're collaborating with others, and this helps you to be a good team player. So if you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.